Camera not working on laptop or camera not working on Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer, this tutorial is for you. We will be doing only 3 simple steps to fix this problem, and without wasting any time, let's go ahead and do the first step. So the very first step here is to do a right click in the start icon and then click on settings. Now at the left hand side you will find privacy and security. So once you have find it, select that, just click on that, and please make sure that the camera access is turned on. And also the application through which you want to use the camera should also have this toggle button turned on. So here you can see I have Google Chrome is using my camera and I have turned it on. And if you see, if any of the application through which you want to use camera, it should also be turned on. Once this is done, see if your camera working fine or not. And if you still have camera, if still camera is not working on your laptop, then do a right click in the start icon and then click on device manager. And here at the left hand side we have many options and we are looking for cameras. So the moment we click on camera, here you will find your camera model number. You just need to click on just do a right click in that and click on uninstall device. And if you have any check mark that uninstall, delete the driver kind of thing, then I would recommend to uncheck that and then just click on uninstall. The moment you do it, it will be removed and we do not have any camera option right here. I don't see any camera option. Now we need to go to this action menu. At the very top, just click on action and then click on scan for hardware changes. Now the moment you click on hardware changes, camera will be back on, and then you just need to search the camera and it should start working. If it doesn't, restart the computer and then click on search, then search the camera and see if that works for you. If that doesn't, then take the name from here and open your browser. And if it's a Dell laptop, HP laptop or Asus laptop, just visit the website, the manufacturer website, download the camera driver according to your model number. If you're using Dell, then you can visit the Dell website, and from here you can download the driver for the same. So this is how you can download and install the camera driver if both the steps is not working. And if your laptop camera problem has been solved, then please hit the like and subscribe, and please leave a comment that which step has worked for you, because it will also help others. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.